Please move to the rear of the car. The next stop will be Parkside Avenue. This stop, Parkside Avenue, Parade Grounds. Please take your newspapers and personal belongings with you. Please move to the rear of the car. The next stop will be Memphis Avenue. This stop, Memphis Avenue.
Next stop, 42nd Street.
Hurry up, we're missing.
Please allow arriving passengers for boarding.
The next stop will be Avenue U. This stop, Avenue U. Please watch your step getting on and off the car. Please move to the rear of the car. Next stop, Brighton Beach Avenue. This stop, Brighton Beach Avenue. Please take your newspapers and personal belongings with you. Stay clear of the closing doors. The next stop will be Seabreeze Avenue, Coney Island. This stop, Seabreeze Avenue, Coney Island. Stand clear of the closing doors. watch your step getting on and off the car.
Hey, buddy.
This is a number 68 car to Coney Island. Please move to the rear of the car.